attention. Toronto country!
Hi, what would you like to ask the
Okay, go.
ladies?
I'm sorry for my voice. Saw and I've been last night.
Tamang dili lang tayo.
Oh, si ate kulit! Si ate kulit! Si ate kulit! Sila hawakan! 5! Guys! Ito yung din.
Paano pag wala ka ng pera? Sa labas ka kikita.
We got to see the choreo of how it was being executed.
Kape! 5, 6, 7, go!
Pag ginanon, dapat...
5, 6, 7, go!
Nice, ang balik. Ganda.
Ano? Oh, pero dadating tayo dyan.
Totoo, feeling i-manifest natin
Manifest
yun,
natin.
oh, and sinasabi namin lahat to, willingly, and all out of love. Kasi,
Na-healthy lang ang lahat.
Kumbaga nandun pa rin tayo sa stage na nagnganga pa rin, di ba? Even yung pag
You have to play the game. And then, i-complete mo yung, this is your goal. You have to do this, but with limited moves. Once you finish the game, you will have coins. And then, the coins is the tool for you to achieve your dreams.
Okay.
Wow.
So paano mo siya? Kailangan mo pagdikit-dikit mo sa lahat.
No, you have to, the goal is,
16.
just don't play it.
Ganun daw siya ito.
here.
5 and 6. 5, 6, 7, and
Toothy, what's up? We are Mamen. Please watch out for your latest song, Mamen. 5, 6, 7. My man, oh yeah, my man, Walking around in the city. Out now. Please click here to subscribe. Yeah.
I placed my order and my order is in first place. Yeah. Sorry. I'm just kidding. That was my intrusive thoughts.
Now let's all warm up to be warm.
Hindi naman makapunta agad doon like in a snap. It's not possible. You need a lot of snap.
Do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do do ba do.
Kaming bata guys, anak ko more guys. Gusto ko na mag-ice cream guys. May tinda kasi nanay ko ice cream. Gusto ko na mag-ice cream.
Ako nga po pala yung nasa likod.
Pero second hand lang to.
Uy, munti ka na mag...
So mag-side view na lang ko kay gusto yung side view ko. Side view na ko. So dito na lang ako makikipag-usap pa. Ayan. Sige. Sige, Lods. Oh.
Shut up and close your mouth.
Wanna join us?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
5, 6, 7, nakalay, tatay. Gusto ko rin na.
Ba't ko ba ito binili? Tak na to. Ang attitude ni Gwen. She's rolling her eyes at me. You think you're better at rolling eyes? God. The audacity.
And eto na, parang gusto ko pang pahabain itong spiel na to kasi matatapos na tayo. Ano ba yan? Eto na!
It's wrong. It's wrong.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Jenny!
Oh, it's right, but Jenny is a catcher.
Oh my gosh, yeah! I forgot!
Come on, where's the comeback? Come on, where's the comeback?